Log cabin quilts have been a beloved part of quilting tradition since the American Civil War. With their timeless appeal and versatile design, these quilts continue to captivate quilters of all skill levels. Today, we'll explore some fantastic free log cabin quilt patterns that you can try at home. Let's start with the True Blue Log Cabin Quilt. This pattern by Holly Elam is perfect for creating a cozy lap quilt or baby blanket. Measuring 50 inches square, it's an ideal project for using up those dark and light blue fabric scraps you've been saving. For those looking to add a touch of romance to their quilting, consider the Go Log Cabin Love Wall Hanging Quilt. This charming pattern from AccuQuilt features beautiful red, white, and bright pink hues. At 48 by 36 inches, it's a showstopper that will brighten any room. If you're after a quick and easy project, the Rectangle Log Cabin Quilt by Christie of Bonjour Quilts is an excellent choice. Suitable for quilters of all levels, this pattern comes with thorough instructions and helpful tips for speeding up your log cabin sewing. The finished quilt measures 60 by 88 inches, perfect for a twin bed. For those who love a pop of color, the Confetti Cabins Quilt by Christina Brinkerhoff is a must-try. This pattern combines traditional and unconventional block settings, creating a vibrant and eye-catching design. It's ideal for intermediate quilters looking to add some excitement to their quilting repertoire. If you're in the mood for a seasonal project, the So Merry Log Cabin Quilt is a delightful choice. This beginner-friendly pattern by Lindsay Waite features a festive red, green, and white color scheme that's perfect for the holiday season. At 24.5 inches square, it makes for a charming table topper or wall hanging. For those who enjoy working with pre-cuts, the Curvy Jelly Roll Log Cabin by Donna Jordan is an excellent option. This pattern creates a sense of movement with its curvy design and can be made using just one jelly roll. It's suitable for beginners and intermediate quilters alike. When working with log cabin patterns, remember to pay attention to your fabric placement. The contrast between light and dark fabrics is key to creating the distinctive log cabin look. Also, consider using a design wall or laying out your blocks before sewing to ensure you're happy with the overall composition. Log cabin quilts offer endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you prefer traditional designs or modern twists, there's a log cabin pattern out there for you. So why not give one of these free patterns a try? You'll be amazed at how quickly these classic blocks come together to create a stunning quilt that you'll cherish for years to come. Want to explore even more log cabin quilt patterns? Build your quilting inspiration at ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!